Mitsubishi Delica L400 space gear. Hatch door doesn't work, doesn't open. I have a video how to open it up if your door lock is broken, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the door lock mechanism fixed. Let's get started. We're at the back, a bit dark. Turn the flasher on, and here's our door handle inner leverage, which should be connected to this rod, and this rod is going down to the bottom lock, and if you want to open it, you push it down and it will open it up. Okay, and now we're going to get them connected. Because my handle is not broken, I will leave the handle for later. Sometimes handle breaks right there at the leverage. I'm just going to replace this connecting bushing. I got this one for $5 at the local junkyard. Let's take this out. Needle nose pliers, squeeze those plastic tubs and push the plastic connector out like that, nice and easy. And now I'm going to spray a little bit of penetrating oil on the threads like this. Will make everything easy. And if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. Okay, as you can see, now we have to just drive this connecting plastic piece down to this hole a little bit more and get them aligned and connected. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, critiques, suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section below. I have more Delica videos on my channel. See, they're all aligned. Let's push it in. Here we go. Sweet. Nice and easy. And now it opens from inside, as we know, and we're going outside and open it from outside. Okay, we're outside. Let's pull the handle and open it up. It's working very good. Simple as that, but it might make your day when you get your door working again. Awesome, I love it. And this handle I will save for later. They're known to break right here, and I have a replacement one. That's good. Thank you so much for your time watching this short video. If it's helpful, thumbs up. Very appreciated that. And yeah, stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye. I'm not going to put my panel back yet because I have to replace my rear window wiper motor. It doesn't work, and I leave it for now, and we'll do it later.